So you've played painters in, what is it, 5 or 6 different films now? And you're doing another one?
Right, keep still. Still. Absolutely still, Sam.
It's all very well for you to say so, that I've been sitting here for 4 bloody hours, and what have you done? You've hardly even touched the canvas, as far as I can tell.
It's about moments of inspiration, Sam. And Rome wasn't built in a day, was it?
What's bloody Rome got to do with it? I'm dying here. Turner, Lowry, Michelangelo, Da Vinci, Hockney, Bacon. Must have just about run out of painters. Who are you doing this time?
Richmond Brisket.
Richmond
Brisket. Never heard of him? Oh, wow, he's very underrated. That's all going to change, of course, isn't it? I mean, look what I did for Jeff Koons. No, Richmond Brisket was one of the leading members of the Pubist movement. In fact, in my opinion, the greatest Pubist of them all. Okay, get your kid off.
What? I commissioned you, out of pity I might add, to do my portrait, not a bloody nude.
I don't know why you're being so difficult, Sam. I never had any problem with the others. Kate, Hugo, Brian, Fry. They all got naked without a murmur. I mean, Hugo even turned up in the nude. Obviously, they were more familiar with the Pubist movement than you, weren't they?
Right, that's it. That's the last straw. Pack up and leave. How long you been here? 3 or 4 months? No rent, nothing. It's intolerable.
I'm a bloody artist!
You don't even do the dishes.
Exactly. What do you like, washing up? What do you think I'm going to do? You never saw Pablo doing any washing up, did you? Anyway, you're stuck with me, mate. I'm on lockdown. That's it. Until they say we can go, you've got me.
Oh, Christ, that's it. Yeah, bloody lockdown.
Oh, all right. No, okay, if you won't do it, all right, I'll have to do a self-portrait, won't I? Pubist.
Don't you dare. Don't you dare.
Right.
I will call the police. Stop! Please, it's an emergency. What kind of emergency? Pubist.
Yes, Sam, you haven't got a comb, have you? This is a bit matted down here.
Oh! Oh, God!